Hello guys. Good morning. You want to say Anna baby?
Hello guys.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Okay, I'm Samuel.
I'm Samuel.
Zingka le che now chapang he. Kali mas.
Auntie Joy, saw some people walking at the Auntie Joy. I saw people walking in the playground. So yeah.
Solid. This is not solid. So Ali morning.
Oh yeah.
They I don't know what they do. Ina ki tu pana he nom ta isa khana ki dia na Jing Ahi Gampam umho hi anum sapoi ka tinalai ta joy
Auntie Joy, I saw a one fly so super fast. You are the fly.
Is ya Inum le indam lawa tu asangai jo kai bo se tholo ini tu jong ki thoi
It's going to open the thing.
Where?
It's going to open. Whoa. Auntie Joy,
Yeah.
when you take picture, it's going to be like
Look like what?
like
Nice, right?
nice.
Wow, black color also, blue color also.
Black versus blue. I
Yeah.
don't know why it's black. And can you take picture of the orange? Because orange is beautiful, so.
Beautiful also. Okay, yeah. Very beautiful. You see? Look at the picture, video.
Yes, I can.
Ti ja he nop na a poi ti ju jingka le hin ja he ma ta hi tho jin den ja he ran la ki ha so la ki mu chim je lo na ki bol ke tong jo si anum poi hin ke tin lai ta choi hi ji je
Auntie Joy, I saw blue versus orange. Auntie Joy, I saw
Oi.
I saw blue versus orange. You see? They're going to fight them. Oh, I see some faster snail.
Okay. To hi khu ni wang su nai lo na jing ka ma ta wang zo den lai chi la nga de nga he pung gu ma khai wa la ka ki thoi la pung nga ma kha ya ki thoi ya po la nga de nga pung nga ma kha ya ki thoi la chun e wa de nga chi sa no ke po ki thoi zo breakfast ba ki sim zo wa chale ma wa na po do zo wa he chi nau sian he ji ai ki mu the he jing be sen ama he ka mut tha ki Zina kaga asil zin ten la pa pot dola. Jo hi in ahi.
Auntie Joy, I don't know why I draw my family. I draw Coco and my mommy and also Auntie Joy. Not at home, only at school.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because
What you draw?
I just draw you, and I just draw
What?
you and Daddy and also Mommy and also Coco.
Oh, you draw auntie also?
Because all my family.
Oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
You're so sweet, huh? You're so cute, huh? You're so cute. I want to kiss you, baby.
So your nail kiss.
Yeah, so long never kiss.
Okay, take pictures of the orange one because post you.
You see, very nice. Wow, so pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, this one. Okay,
pretty.
kiss me. Kiss me. You laugh, Auntie Joy? Kiss me. Kiss me.
Okay.
That's so sweet. Okay,
I'm so cold.
can start already.
Okay.